Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of smartwatches. But with a twist, we're talking about smartwatches that can stand on their own 2 feet. Or rather, their own wrist, without needing to be tethered to your phone 24/7. Let's face it, constantly having your phone nearby. This means your phone battery will last much longer throughout the day. And finally, some people simply don't want to be constantly connected. They prefer to disconnect, sometimes, and have a more mindful approach to technology. These smartwatches cater to that need. Now, what should you look for in a phone-free smartwatch? Firstly, you'll want to check for cellular connectivity. This is the key. Make sure the watch has its own SIM card slot or supports an eSIM. This will allow you to make calls, send texts, and access the internet without your phone present. Next, consider storage capacity. If you want to listen to music offline, you'll need enough space to store your favorite playlists. Look for models with at least 8 GB or more. Also, pay close attention to battery life. A phone-free smartwatch needs to have a good battery to function independently for a long time. Aim for at least a full day of use. But ideally, you want something that can last longer. Then, of course, the features. Does it have GPS for tracking your runs? Does it support contactless payments? Make a list of the features that are important to you, and make sure the watch has them. Some top contenders in the phone-free smartwatch market include the Apple Watch with cellular, Samsung, Galaxy Watch with LTE, and the Garmin series. They all offer different features and cater to different needs. So do your research to find the perfect match. In conclusion, smartwatches that don't need constant phone connections offer a compelling blend of convenience, freedom, and mindful tech use. They give you the flexibility to stay connected when you want to, while also allowing you to disconnect and enjoy the moment without feeling tethered to your phone. So, if you are seeking a smartwatch experience that prioritizes independence and versatility, then a phone-free smartwatch might be the right choice for you. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into the world of smartwatches. But with a twist, we're talking about smartwatches that can stand on their own 2 feet. Or rather, their own wrist, without needing to constantly be tethered to your phone. Forget the constant Bluetooth connection. We're exploring the freedom of independent smartwatches. So, what makes a smartwatch truly independent? Well, it boils down to a few key features. Firstly, cellular connectivity. This is the big one. A smartwatch with its own cellular radio can make and receive calls, send texts, and use data, all without your phone nearby. Secondly, onboard storage. This allows you to download music, podcasts, and even some apps directly onto your watch, so you can enjoy them offline. Thirdly, built-in GPS. This is crucial for tracking your workouts, mapping your runs, and providing accurate location data even when your phone is out of range. Now, why would you want an independent smartwatch? There are several compelling reasons. Imagine going for a run or hitting the gym without having to lug your phone around. You can stay connected, listen to your music, and track your progress, all from your wrist. It's incredibly freeing. Or, picture this: you're on a hike, exploring a new trail, and you can still receive important calls or messages, even if your phone is tucked away in your backpack. It's about convenience, flexibility, and staying connected on your terms. Of course, there are some downsides to consider. Independent smartwatches often come with a higher price tag. The added cellular components and larger batteries contribute to the cost. Then there's battery life. Constant cellular use can drain the battery faster than a Bluetooth-connected watch. You might find yourself charging your watch more frequently. Finally, data plans. If you want to use cellular features, you'll need to pay for a separate data plan for your watch, which adds to your monthly expenses. Let's look at some popular options. The Apple Watch series with cellular is a frontrunner. It boasts a sleek design, a vast app selection, and excellent performance. Samsung's Galaxy Watch series also offers cellular models with similar features and a strong ecosystem. Then there are brands like Garmin and Coros, which excel in the fitness tracking space and offer cellular options geared towards athletes. Each brand has its strengths and weaknesses, so it's important to do your research and choose the watch that best suits your needs. When choosing an independent smartwatch, consider your priorities. Do you value fitness tracking above all else? Then a Garmin or Coros watch might be a good fit. Are you deep in the Apple ecosystem? The Apple Watch is a natural choice. Do you prefer Android? Samsung's Galaxy Watch is a strong contender. Think about the features you need, the apps you want to use, and your budget. Battery life and data plan costs are also important factors to weigh. In conclusion, independent smartwatches offer a compelling blend of convenience, freedom, and functionality. While they might not be for everyone, they're a great option for those who want to stay connected on the go, track their fitness without their phone, and enjoy the flexibility of a standalone device. So, are you ready to cut the cord? Thanks for watching.